Welcome back to the channel, guys. Sitting behind me is a beautiful 2019 C7 Z06. That orange absolutely pops in the sun. You definitely see this car driving from down the street. You can point out in any parking lot. This customer is local to the Houston area. Just like all of our customers, he wanted more sound, more performance. And this one, we went ahead and went with our 850 horsepower flex package. So let me pop the hood and I'll explain to you exactly what that means.
Experience the thrill of unrivaled performance. Our team of experts takes your ride to the next level. From horsepower gains to custom enhancements, we deliver results. Late Model Racecraft. We talking or we racing?
All right, this customer is no stranger to modded vehicles, so he knew exactly what he wanted when he came here. He wanted, obviously, more horsepower. He wanted the performance, wanted the chop at idle, and also wanted to be able to run pump gas or E85 because E85 is so accessible here in the Houston area. So our 850 horsepower package was a no-brainer for him. Y'all can see, pop the hood. Looks very clean under the hood as well. Roto-Fab Big Gulp cold air induction system, American racing headers as always with high flow cats. Plugs, wires, supercharger comes off. For the cylinder heads, we keep the cylinder heads still factory as far as the port work goes, but all new valve springs, double valve spring kit, titanium retainers, hardened push rods. And for blower speed, guys, we still run the factory supercharger pulley. Still has a factory port work, so still 100% factory supercharger, factory throttle body. We run a larger, lower balancer to get the blower speed that we want. Again, depending on the customer, depending on what fuel we runs, that's how we determine how much blower speed we run. So every customer car is different depending on what they're doing with the vehicle. And again, because he wanted the performance and horsepower, we also stepped him up from our 800 to our 850 by adding the complete flex fuel sensor, as well as a low side fuel system to support the extra 30% more fuel E85 burns. And y'all can see under the hood, the nice powder coat for the supercharger lid, as well as the valve covers. It looks nice. It matches the blue calipers. And guys, E85 picks up a lot on these LT4 platforms. Y'all can see right here, this package, almost a 200 rear wheel horsepower gain with the factory supercharger and almost factory boost-like levels. We went from 548 to 735 rear wheel horsepower, 731 rear wheel torque. This thing's a monster from a low roll. All that torque, look at that torque curve. You're talking right at 3,500 RPMs. 3,700 is making 730 foot-pounds of torque. So as soon as you stab it, that little supercharger gives you all the torque right away. It makes this car very quick. Because of that, we got Toyos on the back of it as well. We got Toyos actually all the way around, front and back. And this customer wanted this thing to be loud. So check out the Corsa exhaust with the black tips. The final touch of this thing sounding absolutely perfect in my opinion for a weekend toy. It is a lot louder than stock, but again, for a weekend toy, it's exactly what he wanted. And I think we achieved his goals perfectly. So let me start it up now. Let me let y'all hear this thing at idle, do some free revs, and maybe even launch it a few times here. And if I have time before the weather gets bad, I might hit the street to do a quick little, maybe a 60 to 130 pull. The horsepower and torque this little 1.7 liter supercharger makes really needs a car like this really needs the Toyos on it for it to have it all the way around. The rears are why we need it. So let's just put this thing in second gear. Traction control on. Just a quick 2 to 3 in manual mode, automatically upshift. Traction control light was flashing, but you can see it just hooked up and went. 730 something to the wheels on the Toyos. Again, I was at low RPM. I'm in a little parking lot. I'm not gonna do nothing crazy. I'm gonna turn the cameras off. I'll turn them back on and we'll do one quick little 60 to 130 and then we'll head back to the shop. This thing sounds so good. It looks so good. It's got 9,000 miles on the odometer. Super clean. 2019. Whew. Alright guys, the weather's been really shitty here lately, so clouds are rolling in. I want to hurry up and at least make one little quick 60 to 130 for you guys before we get rained out and get this thing back to the shop so the customer can pick this thing up for the weekend. I'm gonna put it in manual mode and we'll probably do the same thing. We'll do a second gear pull, second, third, and fourth so y'all can see this thing shift all by itself and see how well it hooks up. Again, I'm leaving traction control on. That Corsa sounds so good. I'm gonna go for a little bit higher RPM this time. Go about 4,500. Sick. It dead hooks with these tires on. It's shows 104 degrees outside. Absolutely insane. But again, with the Toyos on it, the power this thing makes, that low end torque, throws you back in the seat and does not stop. And when we tune these things, they shift absolutely phenomenal. That felt so good. I know this customer's gonna be stoked. He's gonna love this thing. It drives so nice. Again, the Corsa exhaust just makes it that much louder when you want it to, but when you want it quiet, you can put it in touring mode, or you can set the exhaust to swap. Driving mode, engine sound management, put it on auto mode selector, touring mode. Now the exhaust closes, it almost sounds like stock on the highway, so really get the best of both worlds. But this thing open, it sounds awesome. The Corsa on these cars are my favorite if you are going to do a catback exhaust. I know I tell all my customers, leave the factory muffler on it because you can save, it's almost $2,000 or $2,500 bucks, whatever it is, for a catback exhaust system, because you can still have it quiet or loud. But if it is a weekend toy and you do want that thing to be louder, the Corsa, in my opinion, is the way to go. It sounds absolutely awesome. This thing at a stoplight, all four corners can hear this thing idling. It sounds sick. So LT4 owners out there, if you're interested in one of our performance packages, please go to our website, fill out an inquiry, or call the shop anytime. One of our sales staff will get you taken care of. If you know somebody that owns a C7 Z06 or an LT4 platform, please share this video with them. Again, hopefully they can get some knowledge from this and make some choices themselves if they want to mod their vehicle in the future. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. As always, comment below, and we have plenty of cool videos coming your way, so stay tuned. Until next time. This thing ended up making over 700 to the wheels. See, I'm already talking. Stop. Let me do that again. Just stop.
No, that's it.
Can you do it? You just stop?
Steven, that's it.
Fuck you. You need to stop.
That's it.
Jason, you need to stop. You need to stop. Jason, you need to stop.
That's it.
Can you seriously do it and then stop when I kept talking? Where I kept talking? Can you just cut it off when I said?
I think so.
You know what I'm saying?
But I might add that.
No.